We're on the record in cause number 328172, the state of Texas versus Miles Edward Thomas. Mr. Thomas, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Thomas, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, you may put your hand down, Mr. Thomas. How are you doing, Mr. Thomas?
I'm doing okay. I just was a little confused about my charges, is all.
Okay. Now, Mr. Thomas, you are here represented by your attorney, Mr. Charles McIntosh. The state is here represented by its assistant district attorney, Miss Ashley Ramos. Now, Mr. McIntosh, the court has before it a ex parte and sealed motion. Now, this motion that the court has, before we get started, pursuant to Article 1.24 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, a defendant is entitled to a public trial. It states that all proceedings and trials in all courts shall be public. However, pursuant to Lilly versus State, 365 Southwest 3rd, 321, the right to a public trial is not absolute and may be outweighed by other competing rights or interests, such as interest in security, preventing disclosure of non-public information, or ensuring that the defendant receives a fair trial. Now, based on this motion that I have before me, which is sealed, Mr. McIntosh, are you requesting pursuant to Lilly versus State that this hearing be closed to the public?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, the court is going to find that the party seeking to close the hearing have advanced an overriding interest that is likely to be prejudiced, and that's pursuant to the information, the request that is in this sealed motion. In addition, the closure is no broader than necessary to protect the defendant's interests, and the trial court have considered reasonable alternatives to closing this proceeding. And we believe the court finds that the closure of this proceedings is adequate to, one, protect the defendant's rights, and if not, without the closure, that is likely to have information that would not only be prejudiced, but information that will be non-public information will be disclosed to the public. Therefore, based on these findings, this hearing will now be closed to the public. State, you